you find?
Uh-oh.
Find one. Did you find an H?
Yeah.
What's that?
A.
An A. Where are you going to put it?
Y.
And a Y? Where are you going to put them?
We ought to get a box.
Oh my goodness, I can't keep up. Oh my goodness. Where are they? Where is the Y? You're done.
Well, girl, get the whole box.
Goodness, where is Lark? What will she bring next? What is it going to be? Here you come. What have you got? What is it? A C. Show Grandpa.
Well, hello.
Oh,
Well, it
my
is a C.
goodness.
Well, put it on the fridge. Good for you.
Okay.